Understanding how income tax works is the first step to managing your money effectively. Let's simplify how the IRS calculates what you owe. The most important concept to grasp is taxable income. It is the amount left over after you subtract deductions from your total earnings. The United States uses a progressive tax system. This means as you earn more, higher portions of your income are taxed at higher rates. You start with gross income, adjust it to find your AGI, and then apply deductions to arrive at the final taxable amount. Knowing the difference between deductions and credits is the secret to keeping more of your hard-earned money when tax season arrives. Notice how deductions shrink your taxable income, which in turn lowers the actual tax you owe to the government. Remember that tax planning is simply about understanding the rules of the game so you can keep more of what you earn. If this breakdown helped clarify your tax situation, subscribe for more money basics. Thanks for watching.